Yo, what's up everyone? This is your boy Vintage Fire Alarm Guy. Happy Fire Alarm Friday. Today we're doing System Test 13. Yep, System Test 13 is what we're doing. So anyway, let's get started. So obviously panel, like I said, nothing's really changed, so everything's still as usual. So yeah. So we only have one change on the system, then that's one of the notification appliances, but everything else is all the same from last test. So yeah. So anyway, let's get started with all our devices that we have on the system. I still have the chevron up like last test and the other couple tests that we did. Still got the Ansul smoke up from the last couple tests as well. And we still have the 425121 like from last test, so, and even the test before that, so, yep. So, anyway, let's go on to the alarms. I still have the 7.2T up from last test, so this hasn't swapped out. So, yep. So that's the 7.2T. It's a pretty nice alarm. I really like that alarm a lot, to be honest. Now over here, I took down the Space Age AB32, and I put up my other Wheelock 7.2T. Yep. Here's the other 7.2T I have. This one has the black sounder plate on it. No, the Wheelock logo wasn't there before. I just put that on there, so. Yep. So yep, we're pretty much doing 7.2Ts today for the system. So, yep. So that's that. One thing I want to mention, we might do system tests Saturday this Saturday because I'll probably be home. It says we're having a 4th of July weekend. I'll probably get to do a couple system tests for you guys for the 4th of July. So, yeah, it's one thing I want to mention. And also update on this Wheelock 7.2. I finally got pretty much all the paint off of it. So, still got some paint like inside, like where the sounder is and where the mounting screws are at. So, we still got to do that. So, yeah. But yeah, anything else, it's doing pretty good. So, yep. All right. Enough said. Let's get my alarm's key. All right. Without further ado, let's go ahead and we'll set up the fire alarm system, pulling down the chevron. So, all right. If you have epilepsy, do not watch this. Here we go. Yep, to be honest, I think that sounds really cool together. This one flashes kind of fast, that one kind of flashes a little slow. So, yep. Alright. Alright, reset this. Alright. Reset. Alright. Here we go, our magnet. And now we'll go on top. Well, we have to use the ladder because the El Camino's not in the garage, so. Alright. It's gonna scare the crap out of me. Maybe. I don't know. Alright, here goes. Ansul smoke. Pretty noisy. Alright. Alright. See, smoke detector activated. And it's on zone 2. Alright. Reset. Alright, so for the final part of the video, we will go ahead and we will pull down the 4251-21. Here we go. Wow, these are pretty loud. At least they're not as loud as the vibratones, though. Alright, pulse meter set already, so now we'll reset the system. So, yeah, so that pretty much wraps up for System Test 13. 7.2 Ts. So, yeah, sorry, it was kind of quicker than usual, but It's alright. Because we still have the same devices from last test, so yeah. So yeah, anyway, next test we will be doing Wheelock 7002s. Yep. I now have a 7002. It was made in 1978. Yeah, I cannot wait to put this up next test. It's gonna be awesome. And maybe I might put the Resto mod 7002 up. Maybe. I don't know. Or I might just put the 7002T up. Or I'll probably leave it up. Or maybe I'll probably move it over there. I don't know. It's just depending on how I feel, so. Yep. And then out of that, we'll probably do the Firelight rebrand 7002. We're going to do a vintage Honeywell setup, so. For system test 15, I believe. Yeah. And system test 16, I'm waiting for one more horn stroke. It's supposed to arrive today, but it's arriving late. It's still in transit, but yeah. But anyway, enough said. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If y'all really enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to the channel.